Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of all signed-in devices on your PubG mobile account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have left your PubG account signed in on a friend's device, or maybe you lost your phone and want to make sure no one finds it and plays on your profile, here is how to force log out of all devices on your account. Go to the main dashboard screen and then tap the up arrow button from the bottom right to open the menu. From there, tap Settings. Under Basic Settings, the Logout button is on the bottom. Tap that. Enable the checkbox Log out all devices, and then tap OK on the pop-up to get signed out and taken back to the login screen of PubG. You will now be logged out from every other device. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.